Hello children. Children, in the previous video I have explained you the different kinds of sentences. Now we are going to start with the book exercises of this lesson. So take out your English grammar books. Take out page number 10. On page number 10 we are going to start with exercise A. Read the following sentences carefully and write down their types in the boxes. Number 1 is, what are you doing? Question mark. Now children, here the question is being asked. So which is this sentence? Interrogative sentence. Children, while writing this interrogative, assertive, exclamatory or imperative, make sure that you write the spellings correctly. In your book also the spellings are written on page number 9, and here also I have written the spellings. Better write it properly and correctly. What are you doing? It is an interrogative sentence because here the question is being asked. The second one is, he is a man of courage. This is an information which is being told that he is a man of courage, that he is a brave man. So this is an assertive sentence. Then number 3 is, what an interesting book. Like suppose you like some book which is very interesting to read, and you express your emotions, what an interesting book. After reading you say, what an interesting book it is. So you are expressing your emotions. So this is an exclamatory sentence. exclamatory. Next is number 4. It was a sunny day. Again some kind of fact is being told that the day was very sunny. So this is an assertive sentence. assertive. Number 5 is, look at the blackboard. Like in the class the teacher is teaching and she is telling the children, look at the blackboard. Means she is giving an order to the children. Yes. So this is an imperative sentence. imperative. Imperative sentence. Next is number 6. Where are you going? This is a question. Like suppose at home you are going out of the house and suddenly your mother asks you, where are you going? Means the question is being asked by your mother. So this is an interrogative sentence. Next is number 7. May I help you? Like in a class some child is facing some problem and you go to that child and you say, may I help you? Means you are asking something from that child. So a question is being asked here again, and it is ending with a question mark. So it is again an interrogative sentence. Now number 8 is, it is raining heavily. Again some information is being given that it is raining heavily outside. So this is an assertive sentence. Now number 9 is, don't make a noise. In the class the teacher is telling the children, don't make a noise. Means she is giving an order to the children that don't make a noise. So this is an imperative sentence. The last one is number 10. How generous of you. Means if you help somebody and that person says, how generous of you. You are so kind. You are so generous. This is an exclamatory sentence. Now let's move on to question number B. Put the correct punctuation at the end of the following sentences. Children, here some sentences are given, but the punctuation marks at the end of the sentences are not there. So what we have to do is we have to put the correct punctuation mark according to the sentence. Either full stop or question mark or exclamation mark. Now let's read the sentence. What an intelligent student he is. In this sentence some emotion is being expressed. So here what will come? Exclamation mark. The second one is, I shall meet you tomorrow. This is an information which is being given. So this is here will come full stop. The next is, the earth moves round the sun. Again here some information is being told. Put a full stop here. Number 4, what is the matter? Here the question is being asked. What is the matter with you? What is wrong with you? What is the matter? Question mark. Number 5, he drank water to quench his thirst. So this is a simple information which is being given. that he drank water because he was feeling very thirsty. So here will come full stop. Number 6 is Agra is full of historical monuments. Again some type of information is being given that in Agra there are so many historical monuments. Again full stop. Number 7 is do you like coffee? If some guests come to your home and you ask, do you want tea or coffee? Or do you like coffee? Some question is being asked. So here what will come? Question mark. Then number 8, birds build nests on trees. This is again an information which is being given, or it is a fact that birds build their nest on trees. So put a full stop here. Then number 9, how pleasant the weather is. Like someday the weather is very pleasant, and when you go out you feel very pleasant, and you just express your feelings by saying that how pleasant the weather is. Means you are expressing your happiness. So here what will come? Exclamation mark. Now the last one is, may I borrow your book please? What will come here? This is the question is being asked. So here what will come? Question mark. Now let's move on to question number C. See the following pictures. Write 4 kinds of sentences about each picture. First example has been given to help you. Now see here children, in this question pictures are given, and according to the picture you have to make 4 different kinds of sentences which should be related to that picture. 4 different kinds of sentences means assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence and exclamatory sentence. And all these 4 kinds of sentences should be related to that picture. Like the first one has already been done in your book. The picture of a lion is given. Assertive sentence is made according to the picture of the lion. The lion lives in a forest. Then interrogative, does the lion live in a forest? This is a question being asked. Then imperative, cage the wild lion. This is an order being given. Next is on the next page, page number 11. How fearsome this lion is. This is an exclamatory sentence. Now we have to make the sentence likewise according to the picture. Now the picture of this computer is given over here. The first sentence is, I play games on computer. This is an assertive sentence. On this blank you will write the sentence, and on the right side where the blanks are given you will write the kind of sentence it is. The first one is assertive sentence. Second, do you have a computer? Question mark. Okay, in the first sentence children, I play games on computer. After that you have to put a full stop. Don't forget to put a full stop, because at the end of assertive sentence full stop is there. Next is, do you have a computer? Here the question is asked, question mark. This is an interrogative sentence. Then third one is, make the computer work. This is an order being given. Might be your computer is not working and you call the mechanic to repair the computer and you tell him make the computer work. You are giving an order to him. So this is an imperative sentence, and put a full stop after work. Then next is, what a useful thing the computer is. Means computer can do so many things, and you are expressing your happiness that what a useful thing the computer is. So after that you will put an exclamation mark and write here exclamatory. Now let's move on to the next picture. Picture number 3. Taj Mahal. The first one is, the Taj Mahal is in Agra. Full stop. This is an assertive sentence. Next, have you seen the Taj Mahal? Question mark. This is an interrogative sentence. Next is, you have to visit Taj Mahal tomorrow. This is an order which is being given to you. You have to visit Taj Mahal tomorrow. Full stop. So this is an imperative sentence. And the last one is, how beautiful the Taj Mahal is. Means you are expressing your happiness that the Taj Mahal is a very beautiful monument. So here it will come exclamation mark, and here you write exclamatory. Now picture number 4 is of a rose. The rose is a beautiful flower. Full stop. This is an assertive sentence. Next, who gave you this rose? Question mark. This is a question which is being asked, so it is an interrogative sentence. Next is, give me a bunch of roses. Full stop. This is an order which is being given to you. So this is an imperative sentence. Next is, how sweet the rose smells. Put an exclamation mark. So this is an exclamatory sentence. Now let's move on to picture number 5, that is of Mahatma Gandhi. The first sentence is, Mahatma Gandhi was a freedom fighter. Full stop. This is an assertive sentence. Next question is, who is Mahatma Gandhi? Here the question is being asked, then question mark at the end of this sentence. Who is Mahatma Gandhi? Question mark. Then write here interrogative sentence. It is an interrogative sentence. Next is, write few lines on Mahatma Gandhi. In the class, your teacher orders you to write few lines on Mahatma Gandhi. So this is an order which is being given to the children. So it is an imperative sentence. Put a full stop after Mahatma Gandhi. Now last is, what a great leader Mahatma Gandhi was. This is an exclamatory sentence. So you have to put here exclamation mark. So children, this was all there regarding the book exercises of lesson number 2, kinds of sentences. In the next video, I will make you write the question answers related to this lesson. Thank you.